Last week was awesome. We souped up this beginner plane. You got to check that out. Thanks to Ron J for the idea. Now this week we're going to do some gyro testing on this bad boy. Now the reason I'm doing gyro testing is that I really need to get the feel of how a gyro works on an airplane. That's what we're doing in this video, is just testing it out, having fun with it, because we're going to use this experience on future airplanes such as the upcoming tailless X-36. Ah, how do you like that? Look, no tail. I'll have more information on this at the end of this video. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing the same shirt as last week because it was filmed at the same time, so give me a break. Alright, so what we're going to try now is that's the gyro.
Okay.
And the gyro, well here, look, I have it hooked up to the elevator, the tail. So, can you hear it moving that?
Yeah.
So when it senses unwanted movement, it tries to adjust. It's basically like when you put your car in cruise control.
Oh, okay.
It senses that your car is slowing down or speeding up, and then it takes over. Okay. But the roll and the yaw, it's not.
The yaw?
Yeah,
that
is what it's called. Everybody laughs at the yaw.
Okay, well, hey.
Okay, the biggest thing you want to do with experimenting is start with a stable platform. Start with something you know will fly. And we're going to give the gyro just a little bit of control. So we're going to ease our way into this. What you don't want to do is just throw a gyro on an unstable plane and say, fly it for me, gyro. It doesn't work like that. Test one with the gyro. The CG is right where it should be. And we got a neutral elevator with a little bit of gyro throw. So let's see how that works. Okay, it feels good. It's bringing its nose up, probably just still a little bit tail heavy. Everything flies all right. Okay, now I'm gonna land it and do some adjustments. Come on, go down.
Whoa. Okay, now come over here.
Okay, why do I love that the most? Look up. Okay, that was still a little bit touchy up, a little bit tail heavy, I could see, and the gyro wasn't helping out enough.
So what are you doing there?
I'm moving the control horn in, so the elevator, when it's nose heavy, needs some up trim to fly straight. When the center of gravity is right, it's in neutral, and when it's tail heavy, I'm gonna start with a little bit of down. So this is gonna be my neutral setting, it's down elevator. And then the gyro is gonna move it from there. I got the CG a little bit past half of the wing. You always want the CG like way up here towards the front of the wing. Right. And here it is back. Now that's gonna give us crazy pitch abilities, but it's gonna be unflyable without the gyro. Crazy down trim for neutral flight to counteract that, and then the gyro. I can hear it. You hear it?
Yeah.
I'm trying to help. Oh. It's going down, so I've got too much down trim. Let me give it some up trim.
Okay.
Okay, I got some crazy bobbing going on.
Bobbing?
Oh, the gyro is, I think I got the gyro set too high. I got to dial him down.
He's helping you too much?
He's bouncing the plane around.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that, look at that!
Oh.
Did you see that? A little bit of up trim.
Right.
And a little less gyro. Now I overshot it because I'm in a hurry. All right, let's see how this works.
That sure makes your arms look pretty buff.
Yeah, thanks. I'll work out. Oh, that's nicer.
That's better takeoff.
Now that's tail heavy. I shouldn't be able to fly this without the gyro, especially in this wind. So there, we're flying a tail heavy airplane that I would not be able to control by myself with the help of the gyro that we got dialed in. Let's try a loop. Whoa.
Nice.
Yeah, see the benefit of that?
Guy.
That's because that thing is wanting to go back on itself because it's tail heavy. So when I crank it, it really goes. We'll do it one more time.
Is it tail heavy because you put the up trim on it?
Because I put the weight, I moved the weight farther back.
Oh, okay.
It's actually got down trim because the plane always wants to loop backwards and the gyro is telling it not to until I say go ahead and do it, and then it unleashes.
Right.
Whoa. Whoa! So with that gyro I would have crazy float abilities because I don't have to jam my tail down to pitch up. So rather than the elevator destroying lift, it's now contributing some to lift. That probably doesn't make sense to most people, but
you have to bring it in
a little faster.
Into the wind?
Yeah.
There we go. Down,
down.
There you go. Stay down.
Plane that won't land. So there's your tail heavy, gyro stabilized, souped up Wildhawk SVT.
That you can do at home.
So the simple gyro test that you just watched really helped me get the feel of how all this works, and I have a much better understanding and confidence on how the gyros are going to stabilize and work on a larger airplane like the X-36. I've got some bonus footage of how we set up the gyro and more information on how all this works on our website and our video blog page. Go to rcpowers.com, click on videos, go into video blogs, boom, boom, boom. It's right there. You can go watch that right now. Now I'm running out of time for now, so I'm going to do a video and put that up on our blog page as well on how I plan to get this thing to work and fly without a vertical stabilizer. So that video is also up on our video blog page. The first flights for this project is scheduled at the end of the month, November 29th, as well as December 6th. Both Saturday mornings. We have a video up every Saturday morning. So subscribe to watch these upcoming videos. Now next week we're going to be doing a product review for the new ready-to-fly Chinook. It's an awesome helicopter, super high quality, and this also gives me a week to get this plane finished up for our November 29th and December 6th first flights. For now, you can go to rcpowers.com, click on videos, go into the video blog page, and you can watch the bonus footage of what we're doing here. So we'll see you next Saturday morning. Good? Mm-hmm. Okay, I think that's much better, right?
Yes. Pause.
Remember our DX6 radio that always has problems with the battery? Watch this.
Ta-da!
Oh, very nice. So now what do I do with the extra space in there? Oh, look. Oh, look. There's candy in there. There's candy. You have room for candy.
Okay.